Welcome back everyone to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your rewards on the WeCash application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeCash application on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page. From here, you can see your total reward points at the top right corner. Now, while this is not enough to withdraw, if you wish to set up your withdrawal method, you can simply tap on this amount at the top right corner. And now you will see the various different payout methods. You have PayPal, Visa, Amazon, Apple, Steam, as well as Netflix, and Google Play, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, Zalando, Uber, as well as Uber Eats. Just tap on whichever method you wish to take your payout on, and now you will be asked to choose your card. Just tap on your preferred reward that you wish to redeem, and then you will be asked to enter the credentials for your account that you have chosen. So if you have chosen PayPal, for instance, you will be asked to log into your PayPal account. After logging in and finalizing your transaction, your cash out will be sent to PayPal. If you choose any other method, then you will need to log in to the appropriate account. If you choose Visa or any other card, you will need to enter the credentials, and by following the same steps, you can get your cash out right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to withdraw your rewards and get your cash out on the WeCash application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.